Welcome to the second part of engine bay shape, and thank you for enjoying this video. Thank you for enjoying my channel, and hopefully you guys subscribe and hit me a thumbs up. I've been working on this car, and today we're gonna record the second part of engine bay shape. This is one of the hard part that I have to worry about. Hopefully I'm gonna do it right, and I'm just gonna start doing the apply the bundle step by step. And the first step, I'm not gonna apply too much on it, so that way I can what's called sand the surface of the bundle and trying to make it all smooth and trying to make a level. I guess that's how we say. I'm not really know how to say it, but trying to make a level and trying to make it like look like from factory, I guess. It looks a little messy, but I think it's okay because the sandpaper is gonna do the rest of the job. I already put some in there and now I'm ready to sand it down, and it looks good and smooth. Okie dokie. And that's how it looks after sanded down a little bit. I think it's not that bad. I still gotta do that part right there. A little messy, but it's getting there. I like it. It looks good. All right. This eye is almost ready. Ready to apply the primer. As you can see, it looks a lot better than how it was. I think right there I gotta do a little bit more work, but still looks really nice. And I already apply on the edge right there, and on this side I still gotta do some stuff, but it's almost ready. I said that I want to finish before 2020 ends up, but today is December 31st, so there is no way I'm gonna finish it today. I'm probably gonna finish it if I miss the New Year's party. I think this is how you call, but there is no way in hell that I'm gonna miss that party. You know, this is a tequila night today. Alright, buddies. I already buy the primer and the activator. This thing right here, this cost me 36 something, 36 or 37 bucks. The other thing, the primer, the activator was more expensive than the primer. I don't know why. I just bought them like this. I don't know if I'm gonna use all that because, like I say, this is the first time I'm gonna work on cars like on paints, and I don't know how much I need. I just bought them like that. And The other one cost me 97 or 87, something like that. It's pretty expensive, but we're probably gonna use it for the rest of the car. Yeah, if this thing comes out really good, I'm thinking on paint the car, but I'm not on that level yet. And once we paint the car, once we paint the engine bay, next thing we're gonna do is tear down the engine, the BG30DETT. BG30DETT. I think this is what the name of the engine is. Yeah, we're gonna tear that engine down because it was making some weird noises, and we don't want that. And also we're gonna clean it, paint it, I guess, replace where we should replace, and that's it. Then the car will be ready for be on the street. Alright guys, I really like this spot. Definitely is what I expected. This is how I want it. If you want to do something like this, I would say just do it, and but keep it in mind that you gotta waste or invest. You gotta invest a lot of time. It's not an easy thing, but don't be afraid. I mean, like, if it's your car, one day I'm sure you're gonna finish it. This thing is almost ready to start apply the primer. As you can see, I already fill all the holes that it used to have, trying to shave it down and trying to make it as smooth as I can, or as smooth as I could. I think it's a pretty decent work. I don't think it's that bad. To be my first bodywork, I think it's great. I don't know what you think, guys. What I'm gonna do now is start washing the engine bay with some soap and get it ready for the primer. I'm not gonna paint it today. I'm just gonna put the primer on, and I think I'm gonna paint it on the next weekend. And this is how we got our paint booth. So that means we're almost ready to start painting the engine bay. Like I said, I'm just gonna put the primer on, and the painting is gonna be later, not today. But at least we're gonna be like almost there. I gotta say that I did not this paint booth by myself. My wife, she helped me. She's here, but she don't want to be on the camera, so it'll be next time. It looks pretty decent. I really like it. I never thought it's gonna be this way, but I think if anybody there who wants to do something like this, it looks good. We got light, we got everything, we got space, and we're about to start.